Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to install Google Calendar on Windows 11. If we want quick access to our schedule right from the desktop, we can follow these simple steps to set it up. Open our Google Chrome browser and go to google.com. Once we are there, click the 9 dots in the upper right corner. Click on Google Calendar. After we are taken to Google Calendar, click the 3 dots in the upper right corner of the browser. Click on Cast, Save, and Share, then select the shortcut option. Rename the shortcut to Google Calendar, then click Create. Google Calendar will now appear on our desktop. We can open it right away by double-clicking the shortcut, and Google Calendar will launch. That is how we install Google Calendar on Windows 11. With this setup, we can easily manage our events and stay organized without opening the browser every time.